Want to watch your movie shows on Netflix but not so sure how to pay for Netflix with GCash? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your Netflix account up and running using GCash in under 2 minutes. First, open your browser and go to Netflix official website. Click Sign Up to create an account if you haven't already. Since I have started in creating an account, I'll just hit this Finish Sign Up to continue. Once you created an account, choose the subscription plan that works best for you. Up next, then choose from these plans such as Premium, Standard, Basic, or Mobile Plan. Tap Next, then select Digital Wallet as your payment method. Now, enter your GCash mobile number. Don't forget to check the box to agree to Netflix terms and conditions. Then, click Start Membership. And after that, follow the remaining prompts and you're all set. And that's how to pay for Netflix using GCash. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.